The EU energy label is changing. The new label provides a clear indication of the energy efficiency of a product at the time of purchase, and thereby enabling energy-efficient choices easier. The current scale of the label, going from A++ to G, is being rearranged into a new simpler scale, from A, most efficient, to G, least efficient, making it easier for everyone to understand and compare products. During 2021, 5 product groups of appliances will be relabeled: refrigerators, dishwashers, washing machines and washer-dryers, electronic displays and lamps. The new label, depending on the product, will display electric consumption, and unlike the old one, also other useful energy and non-energy information through intuitive pictograms, and a new innovative element, a QR code. The EU energy label has been around since 1992. As technology has changed and improved significantly meanwhile, it is time for an update. 5 types of products will have a new, revised, and updated energy label: refrigerators, including wine storage appliances, dishwashers, washing machines and washer-dryers, electronic displays, counting TVs and monitors, and lighting sources. The new labeling will be applied on 4 groups of appliances starting from the 1st of March 2021, while LED lights will be in full force by the 1st of September 2021. The new label is easy to read and understand for consumers, thanks to an intuitive graphic, the use of colors, and a QR code containing useful additional information about the product.